Good morning friends. Today we will study questions based on types of welding machine. We have already studied the types of welding machine. There are two types of welding machine. First is constant current and second is constant voltage. Generally they will ask arc voltage, short circuit current and open circuit voltage. Okay. Here we can see from the diagram Vp by Vo plus Ip by Io is equal to 1 and Vp is equal to Vo minus Vo by Is into Ip. This formula is very important. Now to produce a stable arc generation for maximum power, Va is equal to Vp when constant voltage type of welding machine is given, and Ia is equal to Ip when constant current type of welding machine is given. Okay. Now the questions based on constant current type of welding machine. Here the arc length voltage characteristic is given by an expression. What things will be given in questions? B is equal to 24 plus 4L. This is given in question, and OCB, it means open circuit voltage, is equal to 80 volt. Short circuit current is equal to 600 ampere, and it is also given the characteristic is a straight line, and we have studied if characteristic is a straight line, then it means this is open circuit voltage. Then this is constant voltage type of welding machine. Now in constant type of voltage welding machine, VA is equal to VP, so 24 plus 4L is equal to OCB minus OCB by SSC into IP. Now from here it is given that VP is equal to 24 plus 4L. So from putting these all values, we will get one equation. I is equal to 420 minus 30L. In the question it is given that we have to find determine optimum and length for maximum power. So we know that for maximum power we have to write first equation of power. Power is equal to V into I. So the equation of V is given in question, 24 plus 4L, and we have find the equation of I in terms of L. So we will directly put it. So then P is equal to 24 plus 4L into 420 minus 3L. Now for maximum power we know that dP by dL will be equal to 0, and after solving it we will get L is equal to 4M. This is very important questions, and this question have asked in GATE. Now the next question is arc length voltage characteristic is given by VA is equal to 20 plus 4L. What is given in question? First thing is VA is, it means arc voltage is given, and arc length is also given, and arc length is varying from 4mm to 6mm, and the corresponding current changes from 550 to 450. It is noticed that if L will increase and current will decrease, okay, these two will be in inversely proportional. And it is also given that the power source is linear, and we have to determine open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Now given VA is equal to 20 plus 4L, and L varies from 4 to 6mm, and I varies from 550 to 450, and it is also given linear characteristic. So if L is equal to 4, then we have to find VA1 from the equation, and L is equal to 6, then we have to find VA2. And it is given that linear characteristic, then we know that VA is equal to VP, it means arc voltage will be equal to VP. VP is power source voltage. Okay. Now we know the formula of, and it is given, we have to find open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Okay. So it is given that VA1, VA2 and IP1 and IP2. So by putting these all values we will get two equations, and that there are two variables. So after solving these two equations we will find OCB and SSC. So after solving it we will get OCB is equal to 80 volt and SSC is 1000 volt. This question have also asked in GATE. I don't remember the year, but these two questions have asked in GATE. Thank you for watching this video.